A Sasquatch in the water.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. What is Swampfoot? Oh my God. We had a sighting. This is actual Swampfoot. This is live. You're here live video.
Swampfoot sighting.
I can't keep the camera still.
You threw out some sausage earlier.
He'll hear you. Let me smell you.
River monsters. Next on River Monsters,
It was behind a
Swampfoot.
tree. It was an otter. It was an otter. No, it wasn't. It had fangs.
It had a beard.
Oh my God, he just got taller.
Oh my God.
He just grew legs.
He's upright. It is. It's a two-legged fucking Sasquatch swamp monkey. Swamp thing. Look at this, man. I'm going to send this into CNN.
Swampfoot in action. Swampfoot.
There's something. What's that down
Come on
there?
in,
We're
Swampfoot.
here live with Swampfoot. Swampfoot. How do you feel about the dock falling apart? And there you have it, folks. Live here. Swampfoot.
Swampfoot in his
Rock on.
natural habitat.